temperature says 93 down at the deposit and guarantee, but that swimming hole, it's nice and cold.
Time of my life. Everything is going alright. Ooh, I just made them look twice. This is how it feels when you living that good, good life. I'm just living that good, good life. I'm just living that good, good life. I'm just living that good, good life. Good, good life. I'ma do me, I can't do it no different. Gold shades tinted, yeah, I got the right vision, yeah. I won't let you down, we about to paint the town. Got the people all around, we been surfing on the crown, yeah. We them cool kids with the roof down, yeah, we let loose, so lighten up, break the rules now. Yeah, we wild out the house with the tunes loud. On top of the clouds, looking round, yo, how we ever getting down, oh. I'm just going with the flow. Hey, you just gotta let me know. I think that it's about that time to go. One time for the gram, no. Go ahead, strike the pose. Got the city on lock. They ain't seen nothing like it. Got the whole spot popping. Ooh, it gets so exciting. Had the time of your life. Can I get that in writing? Hey, and tell them everybody invited. I'm having the time of my life. Everything is going alright. Ooh, I just made them look twice. This is how it feels when you living that good, good life. I'm just living that good, good life. I'm just living that good, good life. I'm just living that good, good life. Good, good life. It's not exaggerated, I just had to say it. Look how we graduated, I'm so glad you made it. Cause we got all that we wanted, couldn't hate if they wanted to. We live it without a limit, yeah, we do what we wanna do now. Throw your hands up one time. They think that we lost our minds. Well, maybe we did, maybe that's just how we live. Maybe that's all that we want, maybe it is what it is. Cause we're just living our life. That's a life we're living. We're just living our life. That's a life. I'm having the time of my life. Everything is
James can help me on time. Yeah, I like this.
Twice. This is how it feels when you living that good, good life. Living that good, good life. I'm just living that good, good life. I'm just living that good, good life. Good, good life.
I'm headed to South Beach cause that's the place where I sleep at. Surfing all day long, yeah. And now we're gonna sing some songs as it goes on and on. Something like this. Jump in and let go. Jump in and follow. I know you want to come along. Jump on in, jump on in, jump on in. Right. Jump on in until the sun goes down. There's a big beach in Maui and Oahu's got sandies. The North Shore's where the surfers going. All the tourists to check out the show. Malibu and Cali, Santa Monica, Orange County, South Beach, Martha's Vineyard. It's my backyard, it's my backyard. Jump in and thank you. Jump in and follow. I know you want to come along. Jump on in, jump on in. Right. Jump on in, until the sun goes down. My eyes in time to see the sun rise again. Looking out to heaven, walking barefoot in the sand. I'm gonna step into the ocean saying
Jesus, come quickly. I need you for my survival.
All right, Weston, what do you have to say?
That hurt.
Hold on, you got some waves that are gonna be coming.
All right, David, what do you have to say?
That was totally wicked.
All right, Mason, what do you have to say?
Awesome.
All right, Dylan, what do you have to say?
I'm tired.
What do you have to say?
What should I say? I don't know. This is awesome. Thank you, Burger. This is awesome birthday.
It was fun, but it does a number on you when you get water up your nose like 6 times in a row.
3 words. Sick, gnarly, radical.
Do it in a different order.
I just realized that. 3 words for you. Sick, gnarly, radical.
What do you have to say?
Hello.
Do you have anything else to say?
Yum, yum, yum.
Who's the best partner out there, and who's the worst?
Worst, definitely Mason. And best, I don't know.
I think the most difficult partner is Mason. He leans far over and sometimes like lays on your back. But Weston was a great partner.
Always takes at least.
We went a little bit risky, but that was both of us, so it's nothing on him.
All right, Mason, including yourself, you can say who's the best partner,
Me.
and who's the worst partner.
Dylan.
Stop. Who?
Dylan.
Dylan. All right, Weston. Best partner, worst partner.
Worst partner, definitely James.
Okay.
Best partner would be David.
I'm the worst partner?
Yeah, he's the worst
didn't
partner, but he's
choose.
really good.
He threw you under the boat.
Yeah.
He never.
What you done for me? From sunset to sunrise, I'ma keep my eyes upon your glory. Sunrise to sunset, I'ma not forget all that you done for me. From sunset to sunrise, I'ma keep my eyes upon your glory.